Nowadays, almost every business professionals go for tablets over laptops to do their tasks on time even while on the move. Because tablets are incredibly portable and versatile, all thanks to the combination of performance and compact form factor. They also feature outstanding processing power and battery life to take you through every demanding task. With its lightweight build, you can carry it effortlessly anywhere in the world. In our video today, we made a list of the top 5 best professional tablets that you can take with you to get your work done. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Be ready for anything with the Lenovo P12 Pro, which can give you an experience that's almost close to the best available from Apple and Samsung, so that you can work anytime, anywhere with super fast performance. This tablet comes with a 12.6-inch 2K AMOLED display, which ensures vivid and accurate color, letting you work comfortably. It also comes with a 120Hz refresh rate, which gives you smooth animation while switching between your important business apps. Moreover, equipped with Snapdragon 870, the P12 Pro is powerful enough to let you complete heavy tasks without any kind of lag. Besides, this tablet can be used as a secondary display with touch and pen for increased productivity. You can also use the 2-in-1 keyboard with trackpad for typing reports or video editing. To make your meetings more lively, this tablet provides an 8-megapixel front and 13-megapixel rear camera. It also features JBL quad speaker system across 4 audio channels to give you a lifelike sound experience. The P12 Pro is rigged with a 10,200 mAh battery, which can back you up all day long so that you can work without worrying about the charge. Overall, the Lenovo P12 Pro performs really well to get your work done, and it's a solid option for those who want a productivity machine. The new iPad Air 5 outshines its predecessor by packing M1 power into it, which makes this device fast as possible to get your work done effortlessly. With a 10.9-inch Liquid Retina display, the Air 5 lets you immerse yourself in whatever you're reading, watching, or creating. It also features advanced technologies like True Tone, B3 white color, and an anti-reflective coating, which gives you a more comfortable view while working all night long. The Air 5 is packed with an M1 chip, which makes it a creative and gaming powerhouse, letting you smoothly multitask between effective apps to increase your productivity. With the help of Touch ID, you can use a fingerprint to unlock your iPad, sign into apps, and make payments securely. You can make your video calls more natural and content creation more fun with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide front camera. With a 12-megapixel wide back camera, you can capture stunning photos and 4K videos. With all-day battery backup, the Air 5 helps you to increase your productivity, letting you work, create, or watch wherever you go. In general, to put M1 power into a thin and lightweight tablet, the iPad Air 5 is a must-have one to increase your work capacity. If you're looking for the best Android tablet, then the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is definitely for you. A super powerful Android device on the market that's capable enough to replace your laptop. With a 14.6-inch Super AMOLED display, this tablet can provide you with vibrant color and details, making you feel more comfortable when you're reading important notes or working. Besides, the Armor aluminum casing guards against bumps and drops, so you can go more places with fewer worries. The Tab S8 Ultra also delivers smooth animation on a massive screen with a 120Hz refresh rate. Moreover, this device comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1, up to 16GB of RAM, and up to 512GB of storage, which can give you more advantages when you are multitasking on the big screen. To make your writing feel more realistic, it comes with an improved S Pen, which makes you feel like you're writing on paper. With Samsung DeX, you can experience the true power of multitasking, letting you work on multiple windows. Equipped with an 11,200 mAh battery, the Tab S8 Ultra allows you to work all day long without worrying about the power. All in all, for a huge and stunning display, multitasking performance, and battery life, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra is the best Android tablet you can have right now. Microsoft Surface is well known for being one of the best professional tablets, and today, let us introduce Surface Pro 8, the best Windows device that you have to experience true Windows features. With a 13-inch Pixel Sense display, the Pro 8 provides marvelous color and brightness for your comfort. It also features a 120Hz refresh rate, which allows this device to offer less lag when you're taking notes or scrolling. You can even pair it with Surface Slim Pen 2 and Surface Pro signature keyboard for more convenience while working. Equipped with the powerful 11th Gen Intel processor, up to 1TB of SSD, and up to 32GB of RAM, this tablet is ready to provide performance, making you more productive. A built-in 5-megapixel front camera gives you the ability to arrange an online meeting even when you're not at the office. As for battery life, you'll get up to 16 hours of battery backup, which is more than enough to complete your all-day tasks. Altogether, for portability, sleek design, and versatile performance, the Microsoft Surface Pro 8 is undoubtedly the best Windows tablet you should buy for your profession. Immerse yourself into the next level performance with the 12.9-inch iPad Pro, a spectacular and highly capable tablet that can handle the most demanding tasks to get your work done in no time. With a 12.9-inch Liquid Retina XDR display, this iPad delivers marvelous detail, vivid color, and contrast to give you the comfort that you deserve while doing your most important tasks. Besides, the array of LEDs across the entire back of the display provides extremely high brightness. It also comes with ProMotion, True Tone, and P3 Wide color, which makes everything responsive and stunning so that you can work effortlessly. Equipped with Apple's most powerful M1 chip, this iPad delivers next-level performance to use multiple apps simultaneously. Moreover, for powerful and creative workflows, it provides a Thunderbolt port which lets you use external storage, displays, and docks. It also features a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera with the center stage, making it perfect for your meeting by keeping you in the frame. With a 12-megapixel wide and 10-megapixel ultra-wide back camera, you can capture flawless photos and videos for your important documents. Equipped with a 10,758 mAh battery, this powerful device lets you use it all day long to complete your tasks from a single charge. For the most part, to complete your tasks effortlessly, the 12.9-inch iPad Pro is the overall best professional tablet with incredible performance. So, that was all about the top 5 best professional tablets just for you. Which one do you want to buy? We would love to hear from you. Please let us know, and as always, thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.